Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. I am Eva Polak, and I am so excited to have you joining me today. In this episode, we are diving into a topic close to my heart: mindfulness and its incredible power to elevate your photography. We will explore the art of mindful photography, a practice that not only helps you create stunning images, but also deepens your connection to the moment. So grab your camera, take a deep breath, and let's discover how mindfulness and photography work together to create magic. Have you ever been so caught up in taking a photo that you forget to truly experience the moment? It happens to the best of us. We get consumed by finding the perfect angle, adjusting the settings, or framing the shot just right. And in the process, the beauty of the moment slips away. But imagine this. What if you could capture a stunning image and fully embrace and savor the experience as it unfolds? That's where mindful photography comes in. It's about more than just pressing the shutter button. It is an approach that encourages you to slow down, breathe, and immerse yourself in the scene around you. It's about being fully present, not just as a photographer, but as a keen observer of life's subtleties, appreciating the play of light, the textures, the patterns, and even the emotions a scene evokes. Mindful photography invites you to notice the beauty in the small, often overlooked details, and connect deeply with the world through your lens. Mindful photography opens the door to seeing the extraordinary in the ordinary, reminding us that sometimes the smallest moments hold the most incredible magic. Mindful photography isn't just about capturing the world around you. It's also about turning your lens inward. What does that mean? As photographers, we often concentrate on the external, what is in front of us, the composition, the light, the scene. But mindfulness allows you to explore something deeper, your emotions, thoughts, and reflection as you should. Take a moment to ask yourself, what drew me to this subject? How does it make me feel? Am I feeling calm, curious, or even uneasy as I capture this moment? By incorporating this self-awareness into your process, you create a dialogue between your inner and outer worlds. Suddenly, your images become more than a representation of the scene. They become an expression of your personal experience and perspective. This introspection adds a layer of depth and authenticity to your photography. Your images start to tell a richer story, not just about what you saw, but about what you felt and experienced in that moment. They become a reflection of your unique voice as an artist, a way of sharing not just the beauty of the world, but the beauty of your journey through it. Now, let's discuss patience, a virtue every photographer knows well. Photography often requires waiting for the light to soften, for the wind to still, or for the right moment to appear. But mindful photography takes patience to a new level, transforming it into an art form. It's about more than just waiting for a shot. It's about immersing yourself in the process, allowing scenes to unfold naturally without forcing or rushing them. It is sitting quietly and observing how the world moves and changes around you. The gentle sway of branches in the breeze, the interplay of shadows across a landscape, or the fleeting expression on someone's face. Mindful photography encourages you to embrace the waiting, to see it not as a challenge, but as an opportunity to connect more deeply with your surroundings. When you practice this kind of patience, your images take on their own life. They become more than snapshots. They tell stories, stories of light and moment, stillness and time, and moments rich with meaning and emotion. To give you a taste of how mindful photography works, try this simple exercise. Before you even think about pressing the shutter button, pause. Take a deep, calming breath and allow yourself to settle into the moment. Let go of any distractions. The buzzing thoughts, the rush to capture the perfect shot, and focus entirely on being present in the here and now. As you stand there, take a moment to truly see what is in front of you. Notice the interplay of light and shadow, how sunlight dances across water. Observe how colors interact, from vibrant bursts of hues to subtle gradients, and how they breathe life into the scene. Pay attention to the textures, the roughness of bark, the softness of petals, the smoothness of glass. Beyond the visual, tune into how the scene makes you feel. Does it evoke calm, joy, nostalgia, or wonder? What story it's trying to tell? Mindful photography isn't just about freezing a moment in time. It's about capturing the essence of that moment, the feeling, the energy, and the connection you have with it. When you finally lift your camera and press the shutter, it's not just a photograph you are creating. It's a reflection of your experience, a piece of time imbued with meaning. It's like freezing not just the scene, but the emotions and memories that come with it. A visual reminder of what it means to truly see. So as you head out with your camera, remember to slow down, savor the details, and turn your lens inwards. Embrace the magic of mindfulness and watch your photography transform. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to approach your photography with a renewed sense of wonder. See you next time, and may your creative journey continue to evolve.